Hello children, let's continue with the second part of our lesson, the value of flowers. In the previous video, we have learned flowers are of different shapes, sizes and colors. Flowers grow on trees, bushes and creepers. The time of bloom for flowers. Madhubani paintings are made from flower color like indigo, that is Neil, and turmeric, that is Haldi. Part 2. Introduction. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand the difference between a flower and a bird, list the various uses of flowers, learn the importance of do not pluck board. Children, this picture is of a rose bird. You must have seen birds on the plants. Flower birds develop into a flower. If there are any flower-bearing plants growing near your school or home, look carefully at their birds. Now, let's see the picture of a rose flower. In this picture, we can see a bird and how the bird is blooming into a flower. What difference do you find between a flower and a bird? The first picture shows a bird. Bird is small and pointed, whereas in the second picture, flower is larger and spread. What are the different ways we can use flowers in our daily life? Let us see the various uses of flowers. Children, do you know that flowers are eaten? Yes, flowers are even eaten. Here we can see two girls whose names are Firoza and Neelima. They both are from Uttar Pradesh. In the map of India, we can see a part which is marked in red color. The red colored part shows Uttar Pradesh. Also we have the map of Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh lies to the north of India. Firoza and Neelima, they both enjoy eating a vegetable made of kachnar flower. Picture number 1, 2, 3 and 4 shows the kachnar flowers. And in picture numbers 5 and 6, we can see how the kachnar flower is being used as vegetable in various dishes. Now let us move to Yamini. Yamini is from Kerala. Kerala lies to the south of India, as can be seen in the map of India, which is marked in red color. Yamini wants her mother to cook her a favorite vegetable made of banana flour. Children, in the last picture we can see the banana flour. Banana flour is edible, which means we can eat banana flour. Here we can see a dish which is made out of banana flour, which is very famous in Kerala. Now let's move on to Mamta and Omar, who are from Maharashtra. Maharashtra lies to the west of India. As can be seen from the map of India, the red colored part denotes Maharashtra. Mamta and Omar both love pakoras made of Shahjan flowers. In this picture, we can see the Shahjan flower and also we can see the pakoras which are made out of Shahjan flowers. Are flowers cooked in your home as a dry vegetable, a gravy dish or as a chutney? You must have seen your mother using cauliflower or broccoli in preparing various dishes. Now let's see how flowers are used in medicine. Name any two flowers which are used in making medicines. Flowers like rose and cedar are used in making medicines. How is rose water used in your house? Rose water may be used as a medicine. It may be used in the preparation of sweets. And also, rose water is used in making lassi. Colors from flowers. Flowers are of various colors. Colors are made from many flowers like marigold, zinnia, etc. These colors can also be used to dye cloth. Children, have you experienced the smell of opening a small bottle of ether? Here we can see the pictures of ether. The bottle of ether is so small, but still, on opening the small bottle of ether, even a person who is sitting in the other corner of the room can smell the Kannauj district in Uttar Pradesh is famous for ether. Truckloads of flowers are brought from neighboring areas for this purpose. Ether, rose water, kevra water are prepared from flowers here. Thousands of people in Kannauj are engaged in this work. Children, also remember that ether is a pure extract of flowers. Here, kevra water is also mentioned. Kevra water is transparent liquid which is almost similar to rose water. But the only difference is that kevra water is extracted from pandanu flowers. Have you ever seen a board like this put up anywhere? Here we can see pictures on which it is written, "Do not pluck flowers. Krupya phool na tode," which means we should not pluck flowers. Here we can see a small boy who is plucking the flowers unnecessarily and just throwing them on the ground. Also we can see that the flowers are crying. They are so sad for being plucked off. Children, do you think this behavior is good? Is this behavior acceptable? No, it is not. We should not pluck flowers unnecessarily. Otherwise, there will be a shortage of flowers for us. But instead, we should plant more and more trees so that we may get many beautiful flowers. Children, I have a small activity for you. The first activity. Have you seen anyone selling flowers anywhere? What are the different flowers that they sell? Name them. Where do they bring these flowers from? The second activity. Are any special flowers used on certain occasions by your elders? Make a list of different occasions and the flowers used at each. Here we have columns. In this table we need to mention the occasion, and in the next column we need to mention the name of the flower used for that particular occasion. The third activity. In what form do flower sellers sell their flowers? Look at these pictures. Tick against those forms that you have seen. Here we have 4 pictures. You have to just put a tick mark against the pictures which you have seen around, maybe in the market or at some of the flower sellers. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Understand the difference between a flower and a bird. List the various uses of flowers. Some flowers are used for decoration. Some flowers like the cauliflower, banana flower and broccoli are used as food. Sweet smelling flower petals of flowers like rose and jasmine are used to make perfume. Flowers like rose and cedar are used in making medicine. Learn the importance of do not pluck flower. We should not pluck flowers unnecessarily, otherwise there will be a shortage of flowers.